Namaste. On behalf of Maharshi Karve Stri Shikshan Sanstha's School of Fashion Technology, I, Mallika, welcome you all to this splendid, one-of-a-kind and a most treasured dream of School of Fashion Technology, the Craft Village. Let us take a look at the first section of the Craft Village. The first section showcases the widely used printed textiles from India. In India, printing textiles with wooden blocks is mainly associated with various multiple stages. The use of natural dyes, manual techniques, beautifully handcrafted blocks, explicit motifs, the finishing processes, all this together gives a block printed textile an identity and belonging of the particular region of India. And this is exactly portrayed in this section of traditional prints at Craft Village. At Soft, block prints from states such as Ajrak from Gujarat, Dabu and Bagru from Rajasthan, Bagh from Madhya Pradesh and Kalamkari from Andhra Pradesh are experimented. To deliver the authentic printing process, Soft has collaborated with award-winning artisans, keeping in mind the authenticity of the craft intact. All printed textiles having a variety of end usage are further innovated through research and design. The second section showcases the most laborious technique of making textiles, weaving. Many parts of India have its own weaving traditions that reflect the amount of painstaking efforts put into making the textiles. From simpler to complex, each of such woven textiles require a variety of setups of looms, yarns, weaving techniques, striking motifs and related equipment in order to maintain its identity and originality of the craft in terms of its beauty and appeal. At Soft, the woven textiles from states such as Paithani and Himru from Maharashtra, Patola and Pitloom shawls from Gujarat, Jamdani from West Bengal and Maheshwari from Madhya Pradesh have been practiced regularly with active collaboration of artisans from related regions. The next most vibrant section of Craft Village is the traditional hand embroidery. Many regions in India, especially rural and tribal communities, have developed their own styles of embroidery that reflect the culture and lifestyle of that area. The explicit embroideries from specific part of India has its unique manner and expression, which is based on the variety of motifs and stitches that are used. The embroideries from various regions also play a major role in categorizing them from each other. At Soft, the traditional embroideries such as Suf, Kathiawar, Rabari, Mutwa embroidery and applique from Gujarat, mirror work, Mochi Bharat and Banjara embroidery from Rajasthan, Chikankari from Uttar Pradesh, Kantha from West Bengal, Kasuti and Lamani embroidery from Karnataka and Fulkari from Punjab are followed and practiced. Soft has made efforts to collaborate with such tribal communities and associated the communities in the various regions like Gujarat, Rajasthan and Karnataka. Let us take a look at the last section of Craft Village. The last unique and exceptional Indian tradition other than textiles are the handicrafts, which this section of Craft Village showcases. These purely handcrafted techniques portray variety of incredible natural resources such as stones, wood, metal and bamboo. These crafts are meant to produce the lifestyle related products such as jewelry, home decor, stationeries and accessories. At Soft, the crafts such as beads of natural stones from Khambhat, Gujarat, metal crafts such as Bidri from Karnataka and Hupri metal craft from Maharashtra are practiced. To bring this idea, our dream of Craft Village into reality needed energies, dedication and passion of lot of people, and hence also needed a strong backing with noble guidance and resilient support. We are very privileged to have our esteemed management who are our inspiration to do this dream come true. Let us hear a few words from them.
India holds a strong heritage of craft tradition, and it is perceived that this craft tradition provides perfect surroundings and inspiration towards looking at the understanding of modern design. Craft require low capital investment, and it provides an opportunity for employment, especially in rural areas. Craft holds a strong relationship with sustainability and also holds emotional value as a promising direction of future. Design has an influence to modify the lives of people. If we consider India, its population has created a challenges for design solution to make the lives of people better with integration of value, aspirations and culture. It is crucial to rethink the educational practices for design to better respond to the new social structure and its challenges. It is essential to portray and build the crafts as a dynamic and realistic modern discipline that has a vision for future. Soft aims at providing a strong support to relate, practice and promote the Indian crafts, as they are the most inherent and inevitable part of fashion futures. A unique project of Soft further aims at educating communities as well as the young minds to preserve, promote and strengthen the craft sector through design thinking and understanding. For communication, participation and promotion of crafts in India through the project Craft Incubation Center. This incubation center is created to support craft entrepreneurship in the most meaningful way, and that brings in the beautiful confluence of craft skills and modern design. I sincerely express my gratitude on behalf of MKSS's Soft family to the craft artisans who are associated with us for past many years and have contributed in a big way to develop the confidence for such brilliant project. Thank you so much.
Establishment of exclusive women institution in 1896 itself was an innovation of its own kind. We at Maharshi Karve Stri Shikshana Samstha feel that equal education provision for women is necessity for the national development. School of Fashion Technology is one of the endeavor wherein lot of opportunities are provided to women to learn, to practice and to professionalize oneself. The wider perspective of every aspect of fashion is taught here. Craft Village is one such innovative experiment that gives the view of our fundamental palette of our handloom and handicraft, jewelry and other aspects of the fashion design. All my best wishes to the students and faculty of School of Fashion Technology. Thank you.
Greetings. On this auspicious Independence Day, we at Maharshi Karve Stri Shikshana Samstha feel very proud to take a step towards making of Atmanirbhar Bharat. Our School of Fashion Technology Pune apart from routine academics, has worked very hard for years to promote green fashion, a movement to encourage sustainability and ethical approach to fashion industry. Today, we know aesthetics is not enough. We need to contribute for betterment of socio-economic conditions, enhance our artisan skills, and save and be in tune with our environment. With this thought in mind, sunk deep in our heart, SOFT team has worked zealously under the able guidance of Dr. Mrs. Manju Hundekar towards making this beautiful craft village. This will connect the grassroots level multi-dimensional Indian crafts, textile, art with designs of talented youth of today to make exemplified beautiful designs to cater the global market. This confluence was designed in bamboo and mud, representing our vernacular architecture by our prestigious faculty, architect Saili Andhare ma'am, and noted structural engineer Mr. Jayant Inamdar sir. Thus, I invite and encourage all young entrepreneurs to participate in this movement and carry it further in leaps and bounds. Finally, I thank Maharshi Karve Stri Shikshan Sanstha committee for all the support it has extended and give lot of best wishes to the entire team of SOFT to passionately work and lead this platform globally. Thank you.
125 years before, an ardent social worker, Bharat Ratna Maharshi Dhondo Keshav Karve, envisaged about women empowerment. I am so proud that this empowerment has evolved in a form of higher education that is trying to empower communities of Indian traditional crafts in contributing to national development. What can be a better tribute to Maharshi Karve than this? And that too on this most auspicious day, that is 15th of August, our Independence Day. I would like to applaud each contributor for their commitment and efforts to bring this dream into reality. I further make everyone realize the further responsibility to take this forward in the most meaningful way so as to establish an ideal paradigm. My best wishes for this wonderful project. Thank you.
Maharshi Karve Stri Shikshan Sanstha is proud to announce Craft Incubation Center to boost craft entrepreneurship for innovation and research. MKSS School of Fashion Technology SOFT is pioneer to promote responsible and fair fashion. In this context, if we look at the social condition of artisan, it is not very encouraging. Such kind of project will establish a link between artisan and designer to encourage research and innovations and to enhance social condition of the artisan. I have been closely associated with Green Fashion India for last 8 years, and I am sure this is going to be conducive environment to develop modern design using traditional craft, truly contributing to Make in India.
महर्षी कर्वे अण्णा कर्वेंच्या स्मृतीला वंदन करून I will start my experience about our craft village. In this modern world of construction, a lot of new techniques are there to construct any type of building. But special thing to mention in this today's craft village is we have used soil bricks to construct the walls and bamboo and net for the roofing for this new building. The skilled labor and masons are available for normal construction, but to mold the soil bricks at site was very challenging. A special type of soil was brought from village near Bhol Taluka. The soil bricks were manufactured here in the premises of SOFT College, and masons and the bamboo workers have used their old techniques to construct this craft village. we face the many challenges, especially in the rainy season. The soil of which the bricks were manufactured was difficult to withstand. So, we have to take so many precautions and complete the brick wall. Similarly, bamboo to be treated and then it is to be used, because it is a lifelong thing. With this, I congratulate SOFT College for this new craft village, and this will definitely take our MKSS name in the world, and this is 125th year of the MKSS, that is Maharshi Karve Stri Shikshan Samstha. So, I hope everything is enjoying this craft village and wishing all a prosperous and colorful future. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Today is the 74th Independence Day of India. On this auspicious day, we at Maharshi Karve Stri Shikshan Samstha's School of Facts and Technology, SOFT, are pleased to announce the launching of our new novel facility center, the Craft Village. This is to educate our SOFT students for the traditional Indian crafts from the experts of these arts, that is the traditional craftsmen. MKSS has its different standing in today's fast developing education industry. MKSS is not an industry, it is a social organization working for development of women in all strata of society through education. Maharshi Anna started this education activity 125 years back with 4 students, and now it has spread in all branches of knowledge: engineering, architecture, nursing, fashion technology, etc. And now this is one more feather in the cap. There are different types of handicrafts in our Indian tradition. Some of them are wood craft, stone craft, glass craft, pottery, jewelry, gems, textile craft. And in this textile craft, embroidery, applique, knitting, lace making, different types of printing like block printing, tie and dye, etc. are important. Here in our craft village, presently we will be dealing with textile handicrafts only, and we will be developing fulkari, jamvar, batik, etc. We will teach our students for the grasping of knowledge, and after that technical and design upgradation to achieve the best out of these arts. Textile handicraft industry in India has witnessed a rapid growth over last few years. These crafts represents the cultural value and richness of Indian heritage and tradition. At the same time, it is also a very good income source for our young women. So, through this activity, we are planning to make our young women independent for achieving the goal of Atmanirbhar Bharat, the goal which is put forth by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji recently. So, our students not only learn and develop these arts, but they will expand their activities such that this rich Indian heritage will reach to the globes. This means they will not remain only the micro industry, but will grow to become a large export house and achieving the goal further. Now I would like to conclude with few Marathi lines for our students. या पुढे यशाकडे अखंड झेप घ्यायची, अखंड झेप घ्यायची. शक्तियुक्ती बुद्धीने सुजाण यज्ञ चालवू, संपदा समर्थता उदंड आम्ही मेळवू. विक्रमी कृती करू चला दिगंत हालवू, तेजमाय भूमीचे उभ्या जगास दाखवू, तेजमाय भूमीचे उभ्या जगास दाखवू.
Today is the day of recognition, a new beginning, and it requires the blessings from the greatest powers from God Almighty. Being the strict followers of Indian traditions, we are commencing this opening ceremony with the traditional and auspicious lamp lighting as it's a strong symbol of enlightenment, hope and prosperity. The Honorable Management of Maharshi Karve Stri Shikshan Sanstha are taking the honor to begin the ceremony by lighting the lamp.
To conclude this novel thought of Craft Village, I would like to give a vote of thanks to the team, the entire team working relentlessly, persistently and tirelessly to put this entire dream into reality. On behalf of Maharshi Karve Stri Shikshan Sanstha's School of Fashion Technology, I extend my sincere thanks to Smita Tai Ghaisas, President, Maharshi Karve Stri Shikshan Sanstha, Shri Jayant Inamdar Sir, for the guidance in the structural design and development of the Craft Village, Architect Mohana Kadam Madam, President, Green Fashion India and Chairman, Craft Village Committee. Also to Architect Saili Andhare, Proprietor, Shunya and faculty at Dr. B.N. College of Architecture. My sincere thanks to Maharshi Karve Stri Shikshan Sanstha's School of Fashion Technologies Advisory Board for the constant guidance. Also, Shri Pramod Gore, Chairman, Maharshi Karve Stri Shikshan Sanstha, for his continuous encouragement and inspiration. Also, Shri N.D. Patil Sir, Vice Chairman, Maharshi Karve Stri Shikshan Sanstha. Also, our local managing committee members, Shri Milind Lele Sir, Dr. Dhananjay Kulkarni Sir, Shri Vilas Poddar Sir and Dr. P.V.S. Shastri Sir for their constant support, guidance and encouragement. Thank you.